Hey! In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Then you need to download. Oh, so sorry, I got the wrong category. I need to access apps, type DevCheck and download this app from this developer. Then choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!